Welcome to We Record. My name is Brian. Today we're going to continue with our Logic Pro tutorial series. We're going to be taking a look at lesson 4 today, where we take a look at audio loops. So what I did was I opened up the session that I did the last time, and you can follow along with me. What I have done is just basically opened up my last project, deleted the audio tracks that I had, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import audio loops. So basically every installation of Logic Pro X comes with a set of audio loops. You're also able to buy your own and install those as well, but we're going to look at the ones that comes stock with Logic Pro. So what you're going to do is slide your mouse on over to the right section of the screen. There's this icon that looks like a camera. See, it says browsers. That's where you load up your other files if you have those, but we're going to look at the ones that's installed. It's going to be under the loop browser. And basically everything that I have installed is going to be showing up in white like this. So here. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see that there's a lot of tracks that I have installed and a lot I don't have installed. If you go to here, right here, it'll show you actually. If you go up here, it says all genres. You could actually be able to, this allows you to basically be able to scroll through and see the different types of genres, different types of things they have. Just click on that and you just go all the way down. You could actually select that and you could sort by instrument, again by genre, instrument and genre, descriptions, so forth. This button here basically just changes out the layout of this. See that? That's what that does. You could decide if you want to search by the scale, by the signature, or if you remember the name of any loops, you could actually just search it in this box right here. And you could also, favorite loops that you have. I don't have anything favorite right now. But what you could do is if you wanted to audition these tracks, you could just highlight. Just actually click on the individual track. See, you can do that. And as you continue the loop, hit that green button, it stops. So if I wanted to import that, actually, quite interestingly enough, my tempo is set up for 80 already, so I could just click on that. And these are audio tracks, by the way. These are not software tracks. These are actually audio files. And if I hit the space bar, actually hit the space bar over here, you'll see that notice that it just loops. And what I could do is, if I wanted to, I could actually loop that. So remember this button next to the record button, that loop button. So click on that, and notice it's gonna loop that. That should be a 4-bar loop. Pretty straightforward, right? Pretty cool. I would also like to point out that notice that this track was a mono track, but now that it's a stereo loop, it basically automatically changed it to a stereo. Notice the 2 blue lines. Actually, if you click on, you see those pointy arrows in a straight line, if you click right there, hold and click right there, pull the icon down, it'll actually stretch out, so you can see a little bit more. Then you could go ahead and find another, find something else. Let's see what else we got here. So let me just look for a piano. See if we can find something in the tempo or close to it. And it's just going to loop again. So what I could do is, again, I could just click on that, and I could just drag it anywhere. It's going to change it, and play that. When I hit my space bar, I could actually Control Z. I could actually loop that. So I think if you hold on Option, click on it, drag it to the right, it should loop it. So let's see what that sounds like. That sounds pretty good. So let's go ahead and record. Sounds pretty good. Let's see if we could find a, I don't know, maybe a, I don't know, string or something. So close that out. Instrument. Maybe a synth. See if we can find something on the tempo. Scroll on down, kind of. All these tempos are pretty slow. But you know what? Let me see what this sounds like. Nope. And not having any luck finding anything with that tempo. Let me see. That's not too bad. 65. Let's try it out. See what it sounds like, right? And there you have it. Importing audio loops into Logic Pro X. Again, thanks again for watching. If you like our video today, just go ahead, make sure, click that like, make sure you subscribe to that channel, and I'll see you in lesson 5.